Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are all welcome. Today we are doing a very simple recipe. As you all know that I love simple recipes but delicious ones. We are doing a shrimp fried rice. Okay, it's very simple but it's really delicious. You have to try this recipe. So what I have here, I have the pan, my wok on the stove now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some oil, and I like using rapeseed oil. Okay, it's about 2 tablespoons. So the first thing we're going to do is to just fry the prawns. Okay, so what I have here, the prawns, I've really just very simply, I've put just black pepper and white pepper and salt on it. Thank you to all my subscribers and all, both old and new. If you love this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'm so grateful for you guys keep coming back to watch my videos. Thank you very much. May God bless you. So guys, we'll put our shrimp in. So guys, our prawns is cooked. You don't need to overcook it. I'm just taking it out. So guys, in the same pan, I want to fry my eggs. Okay, I've got some eggs here, and I've just put a bit of black pepper in it. So I'm going to fry these eggs in the same pan. Right guys, our egg is ready. So guys, time to put all my ingredients together. So first of all, I'll put some oil in the pan, and I want to add just a bit of rosemary. It gives it a lovely aroma. And then I'll add just 2 bay leaves. Okay, so the next bit I need to add, I keep this normally in my fridge. Okay, I have a mixture of onion, ginger and garlic. Right guys, I want to add my carrots. Right, it's just a matter of adding all the ingredients that you have. Right, I'm going to add some chopped white onions. Smells so good. So guys, I'm adding the green peas. So guys, I'm adding oyster salt, and then I'm adding some soy sauce. So guys, I'm adding my spring onions. quickly. Just add all the other ingredients. I'm adding the scrambled eggs, and I add my shrimps. So guys, I'm adding my rice. This is my rice. It looks yellowish because when I cooked it with curry powder, some turmeric, and yeah, and some onion powder, and it smells really good. Okay, just to give it a lovely taste. So I'm going to add just a bit at a time. So guys, I want to add a bit of soy sauce. So guys, lastly I want to add this sesame oil, toasted sesame oil. It gives a really lovely Chinese takeout fried rice. I tell you, you have to try this. Oh, it smells so good. This is better than takeout. So our shrimp fried rice is done, and it tastes so good. It smells amazing as well. Guys, you have to try this. So guys, this is our shrimp fried rice. It tastes amazing, guys. I'm not going to talk that much because I'm going to just enjoy this food with my family. It's delicious and it's very simple to do. You can put any veg that you prefer, but this is the veg that I like. Okay, so as you can see, it's very easy to do. You have to try this recipe. Just look at that. It smells really amazing. So if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications, okay, so that when I put up a new video you will be notified. Thanks so much for coming along with me to this far, and I'm so grateful that you did. Thank you, and may God bless you. Bye.